So this is totally unscripted. This is improv in its purest form. So he's Bradley.
He's Spencer.
And we're here to tell you about our Confidence Playshop. What the heck's a Playshop?
It's like a workshop, but it's actually more fun.
Fun?
Yeah.
Can building confidence be fun? Really?
Well, fun was, we did a poll, and the highest levels of fun were public speaking and presenting, and PowerPoint was up there too. And fun was the lowest one that people did not want to do.
Yeah, that sounds great. Let's do it. But in all seriousness, if you want to be more confident, then building your speaking skills is hands down the most powerful thing that you can do. And Bradley says it's fun, so it's going to be fun.
Check. You know, you can also build other things like you can build your writing skills, you can build your gardening skills, you can build your pineapple slicing skills, but none of those are going to help you to communicate with other people and to better share your message. That's what we're going to be doing.
Definitely. And I've always wanted to grow my pineapple skills.
I have excellent pineapple slicing skills. I just want to put that out there on the record.
And remember, when you're starting something new, something courageous, like I'm going to be a better speaker, the hardest part is to start, to take that first step towards doing it. And that's what our Confidence Playshop is all about. One day, and you're going to start that journey in a place where you can fail, and it's a good thing because you're fully supported. We're going to learn lots, and we're also going to learn how to slice pineapples.
You know, there's that point of no return, which means you can't go back to it. And that's one thing we're shooting for on that day. We want to get you to a point where you can never go back to be a worse speaker, to be a worse presenter, storyteller. We're going to make progress to the point where you realize you learn tactics and tricks and strategies to help you get better and better. And that the day you finish our workshop, our play shop, you have the tools to move forward and get better and better.
Ooh. So let me get this straight. It's come and do the most scary, horrible things you can think of, like public speaking and improv without any scripting, and do your biggest fail ever and just like bomb in front of a small audience. Where do I sign up? Where do I sign up? Where should I go?
And the price for you only, just today, is $4 million, and no, it's priceless. Why is it priceless? Because we're doing live, in-person, real-time, human-to-human interaction. Can't get this on Zoom. Your AI chatbot isn't going to get this for you. This is you doing like what we're doing right now. And if it looks scary, that's a good thing. Because another thing we're going to do is get over your fears.
So, if you're still here and you haven't suddenly gone, who are these clowns, and clicked onto something else, then go to senrocks.com/confidence and join us in a few weeks' time on
June 15th.
Exactly.
Exactly.
See you there.
See you there.